want a bath? You want a bath? Okay, let's make the water cold for you. Hey. Is this cold or is this hot? Look, there's cold. Supposed to get a little hot because we don't want you freezing. Hey!
So how do you know that it's ready for a bath?
Whenever you wash your hands and he comes to your shoulder, he'll like crawl over you and like make it like so he points his head at the water and it shows that he wants to go to the water.
Hannah, will you give me a big bowl?
That he could possibly bath in?
No, bigger. We'll put it under so we are not wasting water.
So he tries to get you wet. They'll try to get you wet. So they'll bathe, they'll get themselves real wet. Like this. I'm kidding. Hey.
Will you open your hand bigger, but make sure you get water like that? Yeah.
He's getting our bathroom wet, Mom. It's all over the mirror. Hey, got my eyes, baby. I got two in my eyes too. We splashy so. He really got his head under. So you want to keep your hands so they're a little like tilted up so the water can stay in, but you want to keep them wide so your bird can like just go all in. Please no, hey. Please no. He like dries himself off. See, that's why I like bathing him like this so he can't get you wet.
I want to see it, baby. Yeah.
I know, that's why I like going back. But... Hey!
Then he go in the shoulder. Are you done?
Are you done, baby?
Oh, no.
No? No?
Not done.
Would you like the water?
I wonder if he's distracted by Hannah.
From my beautiful face.
What's going on? Why do you have three?
Why do I have a camera recording me? He's not used to bathing with a camera. But I highly doubt he knows what it is. Right, baby? Hey. So goose. You done? You done? Are you done?
Not yet. You need to wait. Are you done, hey? Huh?
Are you done, baby?
Are you done?
Time to punch you.
Huh? I think he's done. That's how.
Okay, guys. Hey, done bathing. Are you done? Are you done? Are you not done? I don't know if you're done or not. What are you doing?
I think he's done.
Okay. Hey, are you thirsty? Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you in another video. Say bye, hey.
I love you.
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 Give Abby a kiss.
I love you.
I love you too.
I wanted to see
Say
if you
bye-bye.
Bye. Speak to go to the camera.